Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. The problem is that your Venmo app is not working properly on your iPhone or iPad and keeps crashing. So how can you fix it? Simply follow all these steps that I'm going to share in this video to resolve your issue. First, go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, ensure that your VPN is not connected. If it is, just disconnect it. After that, go to the General section, then Software Update, and make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. Next, go to iPhone Storage, scroll down, and find the Venmo app. Tap on it, then choose Offload app and reinstall it again from there. Once you've done that, go back and scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. After resetting, go back again and check if the app is working properly. If it's working fine, you're good to go. But if it's still not working properly, then simply uninstall the app and reinstall it from the App Store. That's it for this video! Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.